Hi, I'm Jen Woodhouse from the House of Wood, and today we're building a 10 by 10 pergola with the outdoor accent sage system from Simpson Strong-Tie. Let's get started. For this pergola, we'll be using 6 by 6 nominal lumber. When you're choosing your wood, it's really important to make sure that it's dry and straight so that it properly fits into the connectors. First, measure the layout and place the post bases. Now you're ready to secure them to the concrete. Pre-drill the holes for the post bases using a 3/16 inch concrete drill bit. Then install the Titan Turbo screw anchors. Insert the posts into the bases and make sure each one is plumb and add temporary bracing for stability. Then install the outdoor accent screws to secure the posts. Next, place the corner connectors and install all of the screws into the posts. Lift each beam and place it into the slots of the corner connectors. Add all of the screws after each beam is in place. Now you can install the sunshade brackets starting at the corners. Evenly space out and install the brackets on the top of each beam. Then add the sunshade. You can add rafters and lights and other outdoor accents accessories to match your style. And you're all finished. Time to relax and enjoy your new pergola built with the outdoor accent sage system from Simpson Strong-Tie. Learn more at strongtie.com/sage system.